Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, there is a red candle forming. Okay, after that we can see that there is a little of green candle is forming, so chances of moving high is there, but if this level sustain, then only we can say overall trend is downside. Okay, and there is a continuous downfall we have seen for a particular day. As you can see, a green candle is forming. There is a pattern forming, that also I have explained you, and once it form a swing, we have seen there is a sharp fall. And what you have seen that there, whenever there is an upside, then only we have seen that it is quite moving high. If you look at this particular chart, whenever there is a downtrend, a swing is formed, and then that is where upside we have seen. Okay, so it is trying to move upside. So you can see in all these patterns, it is being quite repeated for the 7th time continuously, first, second, third, and 7th time. Before that, if you have any doubt, mail me at, before I explain you where it can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. I sustain this particular level or form a swing at this particular level, chances are high that we can see it can come upside. But what you have seen that already break this particular zone of $3.506. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, this level has not come since July of 2021. So chances can be very high that it can touch this particular zone and bounce back again downside, which is on a higher note. Okay, so it can come again towards a level of $3.375. Okay, and if that level move further low, then a probability of going towards a low of around 3.175. And if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of $3.072. Okay, and once it move below that particular level, it can go further low, and a probability of touching 2.87 is there. Okay, and now if the price move below that particular level, we can see it can go towards a level of around $2.6, and once it price move below that level, we can see a level of 2.2. Okay, keep this in mind. Once the price fall below a level of 2.9, we can see a level of 2.8, and from there we can see a level of 2.7. And if that level also didn't sustain, a strong support coming at around $2.3 to a level of 2.2. Okay, because this is the zone where it has not come since long, so probability is high we can see further low if the price fall below a level of this particular zone. Okay, but market is quite volatile. As you can see that this is the particular zone and it is moving down, but it in a volatile range. So suppose if form a swing at this particular level, as we can see a little green candle is forming at this particular zone. So we can see it can touch a level of around $3.54. Okay, and if the price move up that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $3.594. Or from there we can see it can cross a level of $3.732, because this level is already on the high of this particular zone. So chances are very high we can see it can cross this particular zone and it can touch a level of around 3.870. 3.870 is already a weak resistance, so chances of moving further upside is there, and we can see a level of $4.053. Okay, and once the price move up that particular level, we can see it can cross a particular zone of $4.180. Okay, and this is a weak resistance, so chances of moving further upside is there. We can see it can touch a level of $4.489. Okay, and once the price touch this particular level, we can see it can go further upside, because this level is also a weak resistance, so chances of moving further high is there. Okay, and if that level sustain, chances of touching 4.7 to a level of 4.9 is there, and once it sustain above 4.9, then further upside we can see. So you have to keep that in mind. I've given the mail IDs in the description also. You can mail me regarding that. Any doubt you can. Okay, now understand something, that most of the people lose money in trading. Okay, so what I teach in my workshop, suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. That is 1,000 to 1,500. A risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Okay, so now suppose if you took 5 trades, your maximum risk per trade is $100, that is $500. So if you lose $500 for a day, relax for the day. Okay, so what you can do on this particular trade, that means you will not be in a pressure to recover this particular amount. Okay, it is a small amount, but what people do is they lose so much money, 5,000, 3,000, and then they try to recover it, and in that process they lose their full capital. Okay, this is what they do. If you want to attend that workshop, how to overcome all these things, you can mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.